Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the solar thermal collectors. Now the solar thermal collector, that means the solar collectors transform the solar radiation into the thermal energy and transfer that thermal energy into a medium, that is the water, phase change liquid or air. That generated heat can be used for heating a water, to heating or cooling a system, for heating a swimming pool, etc. Solar cooling technologies and solar power plants demand high temperatures, and solar collectors are capable of that. Now, the types of solar collector. So, based on the nature of the solar radiation falling on the observer, there are two types of the solar collectors. First one is non-concentrating type collector, and second one is the concentrating type collector. Concentrating type collector is also further divided into the line concentration and point concentration. But in case of the non-concentrating type collectors, that is flat plate collector and ETC, evacuated tube collector. And in case of concentrating type collectors, there are four types. First one is CPC, then parabolic dish, then parabolic trough, and the solar towers. Now we are going to discuss about the some basic difference between the concentrating type collector and non-concentrating type collector. The first one is the concentrating type collector. In case of this, the high temperature range is achieved. And in case of concentrating type collector, only the beam radiation is used. But in case of non-concentrating type collector, low temperature range achieved, and both type of the radiations, beam and diffuse, are used. But in case of non-concentrating type collector, the aperture area, that is area that receive the solar radiation, is roughly same as that of the absorber area. But in case of concentrating type collectors, have a much larger aperture area than the absorber area. So non-concentrating type collectors are typically used in a residential and commercial buildings for space heating, while concentrating type collectors in concentrated solar power plants generated electricity by heating a heat transfer fluid to a driver turbine connected to an electric generator. These are the some photographs of different type of collectors. Here you can see that this is flat plate collector, and this is the point concentration, or we can say that the spherical parabolic concentrating collector. But in case of this type of the collector, the linear cylindrical parabolic concentrating type collector, here you can see that this is the line concentration, and this is ETC, and this is the picture of solar tower. So this is the some basic information about the solar thermal collectors. Thank you.